What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to dive into the world of Nokia with a review of the Nokia C32. But before we get started, let's take a quick trip down memory lane for those of you who might not be familiar with the Nokia brand. Nokia once dominated the mobile phone industry in the 1990s and the early 2000s. However, it lost its position with the advent of the iPhone and Android-based devices. The company struggled to adapt to the rapidly changing market, leading to a significant decline in its mobile phone business. Now, let's move on to the Nokia C32. This entry-level smartphone packs quite a punch and was released earlier this year in February. It sports a glass front and back with plastic frame, an IPS LCD 720p screen, a 50 megapixels primary camera, a 2 megapixels secondary camera, and an 8 megapixels front-facing camera. Under the hood, it's powered by Android 13 running on a Unisoc SC9863A1 processor with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. And it's also worth to mention that this phone was rated IP52, which is splash resistant. And once again, it's only splash resistance, guys, not water resistant, okay? When it comes to the operating system, the Nokia C32 runs stock Android 13. However, it's worth noting that for some reason, the operating system may not always feel as smooth as you'd expect. Thankfully, the extra virtual RAM does help improve the overall experience. Now, let's discuss the gaming experience. While the specs might not make it a gaming powerhouse, I decided to put it to the test with games like Mobile Legends, PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, and Firelight. Mobile Legends performed smoothly as expected since it doesn't demand high-end specs. On PUBG Mobile, it ran surprisingly well at the lowest settings with minor background rendering issues. Even on Call of Duty Mobile, it played smoothly on the lowest settings. However, for Firelight, it did struggle a bit, but it's important to remember that this phone wasn't designed for gaming and is better suited for casual use. Moving on to the camera performance, we won't delve into technical details given its budget-friendly nature. The 50 megapixels primary camera along with the 2 megapixel secondary camera surprise us with good photo quality. The AI features don't oversaturate the subjects, and there's some post-processing happening in the background to enhance your photo. Now, the front-facing camera is where this phone truly shines. Among the budget smartphones I've reviewed, it's at the top of the list. It delivers excellent detail, color accuracy, and it performs well in good lighting even at night. For video calls and vlogging with the front-facing camera, it won't disappoint as long as you have good lighting conditions, especially during nighttime. Once again, if you want to be one of my lucky subscribers to own this phone, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and send your answer to my Instagram. Just check the description below to get the question. Good luck, guys. Thank you for watching. As we wrap up our review of the Nokia C32, this budget-friendly smartphone surprised us with its impressive features. If you're in the market for an affordable device that combines an elegant design, a decent camera, and the sleek stock Android experience, the Nokia C32 could be a solid option. However, it's important to keep in mind that this phone wasn't primarily designed for gaming. Although it can handle some of the common titles quite well, instead, it's tailored for casual, everyday use, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a reliable daily driver. Now, let's talk about the price. The Nokia C32 is currently priced at 5,500 pesos. Personally, I find this to be a bit on the higher side given its specifications. In my opinion, this phone should ideally be in the 4,500 pesos price range, especially when you compare this with other brands. So this feels slightly overpriced for what it offers. In summary, the Nokia C32 is a budget-friendly smartphone with a lot to offer. From its elegant design to the stock Android 13 experience, however, the price might not align perfectly with its features, so it's worth considering your specific needs before making a decision. So, do you agree with our assessment of the Nokia C32? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thank you for watching.